ora, talawhalawa atu I taku kāinga I tāmaki makaurau ko Jordyn with a Wai tōku ingoa. We have a great show lined up for you. Let's check it out.
Talofa family, it's Tofiga here, and welcome to Fresh TV. Welcome to my show. Couldn't help but notice there's a lady here sort of struggling to see me. I should have known this mic stand was going to get in the way.
Vaiolo maka.
You look like the tail of a peacock.
Oh, no. I need to get it infilled, that's why.
Kia ora talawhalawa, my name is Jordyn with a Y. Welcome to my world. I am from Tainui-a-Whiro, Whaingaroa, which is Raglan on the west coast, and I'm also from Muliwhanua-Lalovi, Waimoso and Whalelatai in Samoa. I grew up in church, and so my pathway to music was mostly watching my dad lead worship. I listened obviously to a lot of gospel music. It also was a lot of singer-songwriter music because my dad was a songwriter as well, and we would sing a lot of the songs he wrote. Being surrounded by gospel, which is a lot of vocals and harmonies, and I think that's what's influenced my own music and my own songwriting. You know, when I was a little girl, I wanted to be a singer. There's just something about entertaining a crowd and winning people over that I always enjoyed. When I got a bit older, some of those anxieties or worries got a bit to me, so it didn't seem realistic that being a singer would be something in my career path. I had 2 kids, and my husband and I decided that I would actually pursue giving music a go. I had been through this big kind of traumatic event, and I wanted to be able to process it by songwriting like I'd always done. I didn't foresee a whole career in it, but I think the response to the music then led to the next song being written, and it's kind of been a rolling ball since then. Family is everything when it comes to pursuing music. You know, we use these terms like I'm an independent artist, but I'm really not. I'm an interdependent artist. There's no way that I could do what I do without the support of my family. I didn't grow up speaking Māori, so then being able to grow and learn to the space that I've been able to teach it has been incredible. I feel really blessed because obviously not everyone gets to do that. Not everyone has the time. I took a whole year off so that I could fully immerse myself, and I'm always a learner, always a student of Te Reo Māori, but also being able to give that back to others has been a real blessing. My musical influences, honestly, Brown R&B, Aradna, Nisha Mystic, Shea Fu, King Kapisi. I feel like I was so spoiled for choice growing up with music and having incredible Polynesian artists to look up to, and they definitely influence my sound. But the thing that ties them all together is really the stories that I'm telling. I love to talk about language reclamation because that's very real for me. It's like a real-time journey. Growing up not particularly close to my cultural heritage, I was a lot more closer to my Samoan side than my Māori side growing up. The more I've been reclaiming my reo Māori, the more I can see these worlds aligning. Of course, lots of differences, but I think in Brown Melodies, the response to it has been a lot of the Pacific, but also a lot of Māori, and also, like, weirdly, or maybe not weirdly, just a lot of brown people around the world.
Golden lights are dancing on my skin, making love to melanin.
The visuals for Brown Melodies was honestly a home video job. Look, it was my first time making a music video, okay? So I got my brother, we went and rented a camera, rented a computer to edit this stuff on. Did I know how to edit? No. I loved the look of like the state houses in Otara where I grew up. And I feel like I wanted to rep South Auckland in that way because I'm so proud of that heritage. But you know, we YouTubed everything, we were just like Googling everything, and we just pulled together this video. I am working on an album. It's a reo rua bilingual album, reo Māori and English. It's 10 tracks. And it's been such a great process. Again, I suppose telling the stories of language reclamation, identity, love, because I'm just a lover girl at heart. I love love and justice. Music is such an incredible tool for normalizing a language. I think when we keep hearing something in tune, and the more we hear it, the more we can learn to love something. When you can learn to love something, I think then we can learn to look after it.
Kia ora guys, I'm Stars.
Kia ora, I'm Brooke.
And this is Fresh Tips with Brooke and Stars.
Where we're going to give you some life hacks.
So let's get it.
Today we're going to talk about organizing your life, starting with our first tip, write out your list.
Write out your list, use your apps or notes. You could use a paper, or I like to use apps like Todoist. It's like a to-do app, and I do that every day. If you go shopping, write it down. You're going to forget something if you don't. I always forget something if I don't write it down. Second tip is get yourself a calendar.
It's definitely important to have a calendar. I have multiple. So I've got the big calendar that you can get from Typo. I've also got a calendar book, and I've got Google Calendar on my phone. But when I'm at home, I like to write things down, so it also helps me with my memory as well. Tip number 3, map out your routes.
Super important. This one, I'm going to give you a hack. If you don't use Waze, W-A-Z-E, look it up. It shows you where there's construction happening, traffic. For example, if you have work the next day, you can put in the settings, I have work tomorrow. Okay, what time do I have to leave to get to my destination at this time? Tip number 4, delegate tasks.
So don't take on everything yourself. If you work in a team, you'll have your role, they'll have their roles. We work with just one another, Sas and I, so we have to split everything in half. Sas makes the coffee in the morning, I drive. Try and be fair, okay? You're half it through the middle. And the 5th and last tip is to stay on top of your emails.
We actually have multiple emails, and it's... Why are you laughing? You're putting me off.
Because I'm the one who stays on top. You need help.
I think she has more tips than me.
I think it's important to stay on top of emails. You could miss opportunities. I'm just saying, if someone's emailing you wanting to work with you and you haven't replied until a week later, it's not a good sign. Might miss the job. Thanks for listening to our tips on how to organize your life.
And of course, stay on top of your game.
We'll be right back after the break, so stay tuned.
For all my cousins that are up there, they came for the free mayor.
Oh my God. Whoa. It's on.
Whoa, 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 yeah.
Shut all the way. Welcome back to Fresh. Let's get straight back into our episode.
People of Okalani, put your hands together and welcome the king himself, Tofiga!
For all my cousins that are up there, they came for the free mayor. Talofa family, it's Tofiga here, and welcome to Fresh TV. Welcome to my show. Great to see you all here tonight. Welcome. Welcome to our show. Couldn't help but notice there's a lady here sort of struggling to seat me. I should have known this mic stand was going to get in the way. So 2003 started off with Etienne had a show, Laughing Samoans, and James, who we got opening tonight, was part of that as well. So a bit of history there. And it was the first time I did stand up because I was working a 9-to-5 job and just didn't feel like there was still something in my heart that I really wanted to do, and might as well give it a go now. And then I said to my wife I wanted to give stand up a go. And then she said, mentioned to ask Etienne, who, because we were related, and he was the only one that I knew was doing, comedy and drama and all that stuff. So I asked him if I can have 5 minutes, and that's where it started back in 2003.
You know what's happening in the world?
You don't know what's happening in the world. You don't know anything.
I know anything.
I always get nervous, and I think it's a good thing to be nervous because it's a nervous where I just want to get out there, I want to do well, I want to make sure people get their money's worth, make sure people are happy, but never nervous where I'm too scared to go on stage,
Hey, who wouldn't want to come to a Tofiga show? I mean, he's a celebrity, he's popular, he's funny, he's everything that, kind of like exudes a Polynesian.
It's everything, mate, you really relate to the humour, so it's good to get a bit of a taste of, our people, so yeah, loving it.
I'm feeling good for many reasons. Not only because you guys have sellout crowd tonight. I noticed my family are cheering too loud because they're here on comps, but because my wife doesn't laugh at my jokes, so it's like that's why I love my family kongais, or get-togethers at church and things like that with the friends, because that's when I'll practice stuff, or that's where I'll find new stuff, as we're talking about different topics with me going solo. But when I'm working with someone, it's always easier that way.
Illegal. Yeah.
Easier solo to work around, for me, my family's first and foremost. So working solo, I can work it around my kids and what they've got. What do you call the Samoans with the big feet? Let me correct you tonight. Those are the Tongans. Doing what I do now is I'm really excited for what's ahead for the next generation. For me, I'm just happy. I stand on the shoulders of many who have gone before, and who had to smash doors down, and where it's a bit easier for us now. We're opening doors for everyone else to come through. I looked at my mum closer, and my mum, and she had a tear come down from her eye. I mean, where else does it come from? Thanks heaps for joining me on my show. Hopefully to see you at the next one. Keep it fresh. Go the Raiders. Yeah!
Hello everyone, I'm Skivi.
My lolele, I'm Willie, and this is
Guess the Food! Yeah. We're gonna be trying 5 different foods in our mouths, and for every item we get right, that is 1 what?
points. But there's a catch. We are going to be blindfolded.
Okay, I'm hungry. Can we try it? 1. Mochi.
Oh my God. Whoa. It's on.
Whoa, yeah.
I've never had this before, but I know it's noodles.
Ding dong. Bing bong. Busha! Busha, what is this behavior?
Oh, it's a bit spicy.
Busha.
Is it an orange? Grapefruit.
It's a papaya.
It's a orange.
Pomelo. Pomelo.
Is this tree?
Is this edible? Sugar cane. Is it vanilla extract? What does it taste like?
I can't explain it. The black jelly bean.
Black licorice.
You stole my answer.
Are you already eating it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yogurt.
It is kale.
Kefir.
Kefir.
Can you put it in the sentence? Kefir.
I said
Yes,
it.
I got it.
I said it.
You finished yours, you know. And that brings us to the end of our Guess the Food. And obviously, I won.
No. Until next time, keep it fresh.
Hey, I've been there, done that.
Nana, I don't want to hear that. Look, I promise we're just going to lunch and I'll be right back.
We're back with another fresh comedy. Let's see what happens when your nana tags along with you on a date.
Nana, you scared me.
Nessa, where you going?
I'm just going to lunch with a friend.
A lunch? Oh, hello, friend.
No one, Nana.
No one, but look at the makeup. Why YOLO makeup?
Yeah, these are old.
They look like the tail of a peacock.
Oh, Nana, I need to get it infilled, that's why.
So her infill, Garufai. Hey, where are you going for lunch?
I'm just going to uni, you know, study lunch.
Can you study and eat and talk at the same time?
Nana, multitasking.
Hey, I've been there, done that.
Nana, I don't want to hear that. Look, I promise we're just going to lunch and I'll be right back.
I love Faselka. Nana's watching you. I love you so much.
Love you too, Nana. Hi.
You look gorgeous.
Thanks. So, where are we going?
I was thinking Rainbow's End.
Town Center.
Nana! What are you doing in here?
It's sang of his old boyfriend, eh?
Oh my gosh, this is just my friend.
Andrew, are you Nessa's friend?
Yeah.
You go to church?
Yes, he does, Nana.
Every Sunday.
Are you Andrew? I'm asking Andrew. Andrew, what nationality are you?
I'm Afakasi.
Afakasi what? Samoan?
Yeah, Samoan.
It's all full license.
Yeah, full icing.
Okay. Take me shopping.
Nana, we can't.
We're going shopping. Straight up, then right. Wrong way. Turn around. Turn your left hand side. Nessa, ano fesa uloto?
I'll be right back. Where are you gonna be?
Just go. Go kala so'o.
Now, for me or for you?
For me. I come ka. Too expensive.
No. I got you. You happy with that?
Go, Andrew. Go.
All right. What's your colour?
I like this one.
Green.
green.
Yeah, it's for you.
Thank you.
No worries. So healthy, eh?
The cabbage.
You got left away.
Poor thing. Kalofai. Okay, lava. I wonder when this is.
Yeah, I know. That's 20 years to get one lotto.
Okay, so live ngalu.
I need a sit. Can we go sit, Nana?
Yes, we can go
Please.
over there. That end. Oh, lava. Walu leaso.
Tell you what, Nana, money can't buy happiness. Yeah, I'm smiling.
I'm smiling.
Where have you guys been? I've been looking everywhere for you.
You took too long. Fire Andrew left fire on Andrew fit out.
Yeah, thank you, Nana.
Andrew, now I'll find it. So. Love Andrew. God bless you. See you next week.
Yeah, how could I forget? How's he at 10 a.m.?
Next week. How's he? Anna. I think we should... Nana? Andrew? Hello? You guys forgot me.
Fresh fam, miharo katoa te noho tahi ki a koutou I tēnei rangi. Hei te wā tītoki, ka kite.
My name is Young Sefa and we are here in Apia, Samoa. This is my area code. Let's go!
Yeah, we've always been into our sports. Started off with rugby league, playing for the mighty Tiata 2 Roosters.
Hey, 3 ball! Tuvalu mo te atua. Keep it fresh.